How to find routing number on Venmo in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to find routing number on Venmo. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to find a routing number on Venmo. Okay, so just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video and you're gonna see that it's not something complicated or difficult at all. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do right now is to go to your phone, and after going to your phone you need to go to Venmo app. Okay, so go to your Venmo app and open it. Okay, so after opening Venmo app you're gonna find this page. So what we need to do next is to go to cards. Okay, just click on cards and you're gonna go here and you're gonna find your card that you received from Venmo. So this is your card. You just need to click on your card. Okay, and you're gonna find this page. You just need to scroll down and here on direct deposit you're gonna find your routing number and account number on Venmo. Okay, so here you're gonna be able to check both of them, not only routing number but also account number of Venmo. Okay, so as I told you, it's not something difficult. I just found it right now and you just need to follow the same steps that I did in this video and you're gonna be able to find your routing number on Venmo. That would be it and I will see you in the next video.